Hi. So here we are in the middle of lockdown, which is all a bit of a new experience for all of us. And I just thought that I might do a few videos from my kitchen to talk about different ways of doing things now that we are trying to save water and do all those things and make things as simple as possible. So first of all, just at this moment, I have got here a jug. Actually, it's not just a jug, is it? It probably was once a teapot. I've just cleaned it with toothpaste and an old toothbrush, and it's come up a treat. And it has a little milk jug with it, and it also has a sugar bowl. Now, in the sugar bowl, I'm growing the bottom half of a red cabbage just to see what happens to it. And it's just started, I don't know if you can see that, just started to start growing out of the middle, so we'll see what happens. But today I'm trying not to use my dishwasher as much as I normally do, and sometimes we just want to wash up a few things, and so I thought to myself, actually I will use this to wash my cutlery in. So I've got some fairy liquid and water, and I've got all my bits and pieces that I want to wash, mostly knives, spoons, a chopstick and a pair of tongs. And I use several different things for washing up. The thing I like best of all is a mop. This one is dripping, I'll just squeeze it. Right, there we are, a mop. I ordered these off the internet because you can't get them in the shops anymore, but you could get 3 of these for about £8.99, I think it was, so it was very cheap, and really, to me, this is the best thing to wash up with. But I also use a paintbrush because there are often very small corners and very tiny little bits that need washing up. You don't need a big brush for it, but sometimes you do need a brush, so this is quite a useful tool. This one is now getting a little bit worn, as you can see, but of course it's not plastic, so from an eco point of view it is the bee's knees. So once I've washed all these things in here, what am I going to drain them in? I have got a cutlery drainer, but that's got some other things in it which are already draining, bigger things. So this is half of a plastic pop bottle, and in the bottom I have made some holes. Now originally I did this because I was going to grow something in it, but actually it was by the sink and I needed some space to put some more of these things in. And then I realised that actually I can put these in, they're dripping. So these are all the things that I've just washed and I want to rinse them. But because they are all in this one container with holes in the bottom, I can just run that under the tap. You can't see that, but you can hear it happening, can't you? Let's see if I can turn it round so that you can see. And it's all the water's dripped out, and those are now washed and rinsed and ready, drying off for my next trick. I've got a few more little bits and pieces here. So anyway, I hope that's been interesting, and talk to you again soon. Bye.